Go move, Randon. Show him how you crawl. 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 Crawl, Randon, crawl. No, don't do it. Let him crawl. 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 Crawl, Randon, crawl. Crawl.
I think he already got where he wanted to go.
Crawl. There he goes. Good boy. Little fish boy. Crawl. Crawl, little fish boy. Crawl. Good. You're getting there.
Oh, he got there. Yay.
Crawl, little fish boy. There you go. Crawl, little fish boy.
Looks like a little tadpole.
Michael Phelps backstroke. Crawl. He's silly. Crawl, Randon. Swim. Golly. He's swimming. Go swim. Swim, Randon. You're goofy. You're as goofy as your brother. I know where your brother gets it from.